Pokhara. Pokhara, the tourist capital of Nepal, is the second largest city in this Himalayan country, after Kathmandu. For adventure enthusiasts, Pokhara is a popular starting point for many treks in the Annapurna range as well as many paragliding and river rafting opportunities. The city is a beautiful contrast of the bustling lakeside Pokhara and Old Pokhara, which is home to many beautiful historical temples and is also the city's commercial hub. Places to visit in Pokhara. Fevor Lake is the second largest lake in Nepal. It is a semi-natural freshwater lake enveloped by Rani Ban or Queen's Forest and stunning reflection of the Annapurna and Dhaulagiri mountain ranges in the clear lake waters. It has some religious significance too, as it is known for the sacred Talbarahi temple located on an island in the lake. At an elevation of 3,210 meters above sea level, Ghorepani Hill is the most preferred trekking trail in Nepal. Hundreds of adventurers visit to experience the thrill of traversing the magnanimous hill. Also known as Nepal's classic Himalaya trek, it has been an important attraction for nature lovers. These treks are a little elaborate and last for a little over a week. They begin at Pokhara and pass through the Ghorepani, and some even continue to the Poon Hill. Davies Fall in Pokhara is an extraordinary waterfall that creates a 500 feet long underground tunnel as it reaches its bottom. Davies Waterfall. Davis Waterfall is different from other falls in the country due to its natural phenomenon. It marks the point where the Pardi Khola stream disappears underground and leaves no clue of its existence. Shanti Stupa in Pokhara, also called as Peace Pagoda, is a stunning monument located on the Anadu hill overlooking the mesmerizing Fevor Lake with the charming Annapurna mountain range in the backdrop. It is a popular tourist attraction and a striking landmark or a pleasant pit stop for the intrepid climbers. Located on the scenic Sarinkot mountain, Sarinkot is a village famous for its sunrise and sunset view of Annapurna and the takeoff site for paragliding. The village lies at an elevation of 1,600 meters above sea level and is a perfect place to capture a mesmeric view of the Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, the Manaslu mountain ranges and the valley of Pokhara. Annapurna Circuit is a popular Himalayan trek in the Annapurna range. The trek is a real challenge to test your patience and endurance. The trail takes you through some of the highest mountains in the world. Pokhara is the most famous adventure activities hub in Nepal. Some of the options are trekking, whitewater rafting, boating, canoeing, paragliding, mountain biking. Kathmandu. Kathmandu, the city of peace, lives true to this description. The city is charming, busy, bustling, serene, alive, and asleep, all at once. The capital of Nepal, Kathmandu is the most accessible city in the country. It is Nepal's only metropolitan city as well. From buying trekking equipment in Thamel or taking a rickshaw ride through traffic-packed alleys of the old part of the city or simply visiting the fascinating buildings in Darbar squares, Kathmandu is truly a place filled with warmth. Places to visit in Kathmandu. Situated at a distance of about 11 kilometers from the city center of Kathmandu, Bodhanath Stupa dominates the Kathmandu skyline with its gargantuan spherical shape. Thousands of pilgrims from different religions gather here daily. They perform a ritualistic circumnavigation, known as Thekkora, of the colossal dome. It is believed that anyone who circumambulates the stupa with no ill thoughts in their hearts receives good karma. Moreover, the gates of hell are permanently closed for them. One of the holiest Hindu shrines in Nepal, the Pashupatinath temple is stretched across both the banks of the beautiful and sacred Bagmati river on the eastern fringes of the capital city of Kathmandu. The magnificent sanctum devoted to Lord Shiva draws in thousands of devotees who come to offer their prayers and seek blessings from him. Perched on top of the Simgu hill located in the outskirts to the west of the Kathmandu valley, Swayambhu Temple is one of the most important religious shrines in the city of Kathmandu. With a white dome stupa and an array of shrines, this place draws people to it daily. Kathmandu Darbar Square. The place which has witnessed and received one king after the other as they sat and ruled over Nepal a long time ago, where new rulers were crowned while the steady beats of drums and trumpets filled the place. The regal Kathmandu Darbar Square is one of the 3 Darbar squares in the country. Till date, the place remains the most remarkable legacy of Kathmandu's traditional architecture. With trekking trails, lush greenery, and a variety of species of flora and fauna, the Langtam National Park is the 4th national park that was established in Nepal in 1976. The Langtam National Park is situated at an approximate distance of 32 kilometers to the north of the capital city of Kathmandu and is connected to the Omolangma National Nature Preserve in Tibet. Lumbini. The beautiful town of Lumbini is the birthplace of Lord Buddha. Lumbini is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has a plethora of ancient stupas dating back to 2000 years and monasteries that were built by past dynasties. People come here from all over the world to this abode of Buddhism to study scriptures, meditate, practice yoga, trek, learn more about Buddhism and find inner peace. Lumbini literally means the lovely in Sanskrit, and true to its name it stands. Janakpur. Janakpur is a city in Nepal which is believed to be the birthplace of goddess Sita and the place of her marriage with Lord Ram. Also known as the city of ponds, Janakpur boasts of more than 70 ponds that dot its verdant landscape. Here you can learn more about the ancient and revered Hindu epic, the Ramayana, and its significance today. Visit the actual sites mentioned in the great epic and listen to local lore as well. Chitwan National Park. Chitwan National Park is the first step that Nepal took towards protection of the wildlife and nature at large. Located in the subtropical inner Terai lowlands of south-central Nepal, the national park covers an area of 952.63 square kilometers. Over the districts of Navalparasi, Parsa, Makwanpur and Chitwan itself. The place was granted its long-due status of UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984, and ever since its inception 11 years before that, Chitwan National Park has been getting the footfalls of the nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Rara Lake. Rara Lake at 2,990 meters, is the deepest lake in Nepal and also one of the most pristine. Surrounded by green hills on all sides, covered in juniper trees, one can camp by the sparkling waters of the lake. Go boating in the clear waters, hike to nearby hills for a closer view of the mountains and lake, get acquainted with the charming local people, or just walk around the large lake watching out for wildflowers or a rare bird along the way. Bandipur. Pretty as a picture, that is how one can perfectly describe Bandipur. This living and breathing abode of Navari culture is a hilltop settlement in the Gandaki zone at 1030 meters, some 700 meters above the Masyangdi river. The municipality snuggles itself on the saddle of the Mahabharat range of the Himalayas. Bandipur is a perfect weekend retreat from Kathmandu or Pokhara, now that it is connected with the highway by an access road. There isn't much to see, so hoping for an extensive session of sightseeing will meet with disappointment. The town has more of a relaxing vibe, with the laid-back ambience of a small European neighborhood. Arun Valley. Arun Valley trekking is situated eastern part of Nepal, between the Sagarmatha National Park and Maklu Barun National Parks. Arun Valley provides an alternative approach to the Khumbu region, the home of the Sherpa, and offers including superb views of the world's highest mountains, Mount Everest 8,848 meters, Mount Maklu 8,463 meters, and other many mountains and unspoiled people culture, ancient Buddhist monastery, varieties of vegetation and rare wildlife. Arun Valley Trek is recommended to those people who have already been in the Everest region but revisit Everest Base Camp Kalapathar via a less traveled route. Tea Garden Illam. Ilam, the tea garden of Nepal, is located about 700 kilometers east of Kathmandu. It is famous for its natural scenery and landscapes, tea production, and diverse agricultural economy. It is one of the major horticultural crop production districts of Nepal. Geographically, it lies in the hill region which is mostly known as Mahabharat Range.